Alright folks, it's Captain Banana. You'll hear echo because I'm in a newly remodeled pilot in Sturbridge, Massachusetts. And I mean, they did an okay job remodeling the bathroom and all. But it's just like, you know, to me it's a wasted space. I mean, 2 shower heads. I don't know. Or to spend my money getting a bigger parking lot. Yeah. I mean, it wasn't too bad parking in here today because I got here early and was able to park, but it's always a pain in the ass trying to park in Sturbridge, Massachusetts. And I only came here to fuel and do laundry and take a shower. But I came here for fuel because I'm going to Maine, and this was the cheapest fuel at $6 a gallon. Yeah, it's the cheapest fuel, and there is no pilots in Maine. So I got about a little over half a tank of fuel, so yeah. I'm only 300 from my 90, 300 miles from my 90, but yeah. If I want to be all the way up in Maine, I want to have full tanks of fuel before I depart for that. And my appointment time is for 11 a.m. tomorrow. Can't get there early, and they don't have overnight parking there. Sucks. But, you know, is what it is.